Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create a debit note on TranZact. So debit note can be created after creating the invoice. So let us go to our sales and purchase module, click on browse module, then we need to click on sales and purchase module. After that, please check, these are the list of all my transactions here. Now this is one of my purchase transaction in which I am returning some of the product which were faulty. So I need to create a debit note on my system. How I can do so? So please check in the very bottom, the invoice is created. Please click on this. After clicking, the invoice will get opened up. On your right hand side in very top, you will see an option of other action. Now go to other action and here you will find an option of debit note. Now once selected, the debit note document format will get opened up in front of your screen. So I can simply just go ahead and mention which item I have returned and in how much quantity. So here, suppose 2 meter I have returned. So I'm raising a debit note for the same. So by creating a debit note, stock will not get auto adjusted from your inventory. For that, there is a different document, that is the purchase return delivery challan. You need to create a purchase return delivery challan and then you need to deal with that. Now, in this case, you need to go ahead and simply just fill the detail, go below, save and send. I'm sorry, the payment date is required. I will select as of today, save and send. Now, my debit note is created. What debit note will do? It will set off the amount in your payments module against that particular purchase invoice. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to manage your debit note and create debit note on TranZact. Have a good day ahead.